Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show how to make vertical and horizontal flip animation using HTML and CSS only. Create index.html file and open in VS Code editor. Create first div with class container. Next div with class front. Add a style, background image, URL, and for this project will be used 4 bright images. So, link first image by typing ./1.jpg and save it. H1 text with class fruit name and name of fruit added. Next div will have class back, add paragraph and generate lorem ipsum text. Hit on tab, save it. Open index.html file in browser of your choice or start live server. Reload the page. And this is how a first container looks. Copy first container and do small changes. First change, it is a change from first image to second image. H1 text will be changed and rest remains the same. Save it. Reload the page. Container number 3 will have class container second. Image will be number 3. H1 text changed and rest remains the same. Copy it one more time and change background image from 3 to 4 and H1 text will be also changed. Save it, reload the page. So we need to add CSS part. I will add it by using text style, but if you want you can create separate style.css file and link it. For entire project, margin and padding 0, box size and border box. For body, text align center, added dark greenish gray background and font family called Cambrian. Save it, reload the page. Main portion of text will be displayed in pure white color and outline will be in black color. For container front and container back, display block and transition duration 1 second. This transition duration could be changed if you want to make this animation slower. Save it, reload the page. For container back, width and height will be 100%, top and left 0 pixels, opacity 0, and transform translate Y minus 180 degree. On hover, transform translate Y will be 180 degree. For container hover back opacity 1 and transform rotate Y 0 degree. For vertical animation, added transform translate X minus 180 degree, 180 degree and 0 degree. Save it, reload the page. So now on hover, animation does not work properly, but we will add more CSS so it will work. In start of the project, I forgot to add for container CSS part. So for it, width 450 pixels, margin right 10 pixels, margin bottom 15 pixels, position relative and display inline block. Save it, reload the page. Now this project looks much better. For container front and back, width inherited, height 280 pixels, added padding, color white, background dark, and background size cover position center. For text in paragraph, in container front and back part, font size 25 pixels and color will be off-white. Save it. This is gonna be the final result. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing. Press like button. If you have any comments, write it in comment section and I will reply on it.